Hello friends, welcome to Arshit Traders. And friends, today we are going to see how to draw trend lines, support and resistances, and how we know that a company share price is going to fall after a big rally. So these are the few things I want to show you and where we have to take entry. So this is also one of the major thing we have to look into it. So this is a 1 day candle. So the higher time frames you go, the more probability of trend has to be in coming days. So that is the major thing we have to follow in trading. So so go for bigger duration like 6 months duration. So here what you have to observe. So if you want short term, go for 3 months. So if you see 3 months, it is moving in a range bound. So you have to mark that range also. So 5100 and 4200. So make it these 100 points. So 4100 also as one of the key area to see. So another thing is like you have to look is supports. So mark them. So take lines and horizontal line and make the lowest level. So if you want more accuracy, take minimum 2 points. So I am taking this one as a support. And next one is, and little minimize the screen, you are going to see so this one. So 5100 is, this is for 3 months. So we go for 6 months next. So drag the screen, and 6 months you are looking 6500, like 4 days 5 days it moved there. And in 6 months this is the lowest point. Again go for 1 year. So next, so in 1 year you are going to see the highest point is, make this one. Why? Because major days has to touch. So each candle represent 1 day. So the lowest for this is same 4200. So in 1 year it is like 4200 acting as a very good support, and you can make this one also. Why? Because in 1 year in April it reached this 4000 level once here. So 4200, which looks very strong for the stock. And the next one thing you have to mark it down is when to exit. So this is a major hurdle for the investors. When to exit, they don't know. So one thing we have to see, friends, it has multiple factors. So October, November last year, it makes it make a high of 7,000. So multiple days traded there. So it's like from 4,000 to 7,000 it moved. So nearly you got 30% profit. But here what retailers get is greedy. So friends, here uh, October, November, December, at one point they got results at this point. And friends, on hope of good results, stock moved very high, and again it fall here due to economic reasons also. So as you know, like war, and as you know, every market move depends on liquidity in the market. So Fed announces absorbing money from the market. So as you know, InfoEdge is a high PE stock and high debit stock. That means it's acquires, it takes money from, in the form of bonds, in the form of debentures issue, and to invest in startups, like they have good businesses, right? So when these type of news came, these type of stocks first sees the severe effect. So automatically money pulling happened. So by looking sharp rise and hovering and where it is facing resistance, you have to look here. So with past data after moving a such rally, here it faced first resistance. So then what you have to think is, so mark it down. So this is the resistance it faced, and just make a support also. So this is the low level, so mark this also as a low level. So you are holding 100 shares in this stock entered at 4,000. So 7,000 means you have 3,000. So 3,000 into 100, so you make nearly 3 lakhs as a profit. And what you have to see means, draw a few days support as your stop loss. So it's given a big rally, right? So it moved up, and even it moved up also, you have greedy, so you didn't book. So even you have to follow 1 by 4th rule, or you have to keep a stop loss. So this is the stop loss in my view. Why? Because a good rally multiple times taken support here and moved up, and see here. So these 2 days also here it went down this support, and even it closed 2 days here. I think this is also a good level to book your profit. So luckily it went up, and again it faced a rejection in this level. So have to take a final call. This is also a rejection. So here also you can book your profit. And thunder indication. So this up move and up move and up move. So this M also is one of the indication. So M pattern at resistance level, which indicates a fall in coming area. When you indicate this closing level from this resistance levels below to half of this M indication. So that is also one of the major indication to see whether the stock is going to fall or not. So this thunder indication also very good indication that a strong rally going to reverse. So friends, you seen here, red stock went to support level and taken multiple supports. After continuously falling, we have to take certain steps, like it given a range bound, and after few days it given a bullish shortfall. The gap between this low and this low is a bullish shortfall. We call it as bullish shortfall. So we can take position here. So market moved up, again rejection, and again came down, and again it shows. So up to this level it won't came now, and taken again what you called support here and moving back. So in my view, the lowest point at these two levels is good for who are looking to enter into Zomato. And why, sorry, not Zomato, Info Edge. Why I am telling is, the businesses which it is giving is very good in coming days. Why? Because if you observe here, it has a recruitment business which is going on track in coming days. So economic slowdown is there, but recruitments are going to be high in coming days in India particularly. I am going to show you why. And real estate. So real estate looks nominal, so not at all extraordinary. And matrimony, yes, it's performing very well in 2022. In last 2 months they've done a large huge quantity, huge number of huge marriages. And next one, edtech, so it has investments on edtech also. And going forward, it has like Zomato partnership, so stack in Zomato also it have. And software companies moving away from Russia. See here, I seen one article that software companies moving away from Russia and they are looking a space in India. I seen, friends, the news Infosys to move out business out from Russia. Uh, so US more away from Russia than India. So yeah, friends, I seen that news. So you moving away from China, pitching trade with India. So there are so many positives for India, friends. So that's the reason why I mentioned about those things. I seen somewhere, but it is not coming in this article now. So see here, and April 15th, Indian IT companies pull plug on Russia, and Indian software service companies are moving their limited operations out of Russia. So this is how they are taking steps. So friends, this is the total view I want to share you on about InfoEdge and everything. So thank you friends, thank you very much.